Tired of Facebook hiding some comments and only showing the so-called most relevant ones? Let me show you how to make Facebook display all comments by default, so you never miss anything. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Tap on those lines. This will open up the main menu with all of your options. Now, scroll down just a little until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it. A new list of options will appear, and from here, choose Settings to enter your account's detailed controls. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see Followers and Public Content. Go ahead and tap on it. This section controls how other people interact with your posts, including how comments are shown. Once you're inside, scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and you'll notice an option called Show Most Relevant Comments First. By default, this setting is turned on, which means Facebook decides which comments you should see first instead of showing all of them in order. If you want to see every single comment without filtering, simply toggle this switch off. If this walkthrough helped you out, give the video a like, subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides, and feel free to share this with someone who's been wondering the same thing.